We got a rainy old day out there today, so that seems like a good day to be inside the garage doing a bit more on this exhaust. Yeah, so it's Monday and a mucky old day. I spent the weekend working up at Castle Combe instructing at a supercar experience thing, so I decided I wasn't going to spend the whole day doing my normal job today. I was going to reward myself with half a day off in the garage, so we're back out here looking at this exhaust. Mainly prepped now. What I've done is put some of this silver tape all in the inside, because I figure that'll help reflect heat away from it anyway, and of course that's nicely securing our joint here. I've just cut a section so that I can stick that on, and where I've got some bits where I've got this nice glossy finish and some a little dry, so what I'm going to do is put a very little bit of resin all the way over and reuse the acetone again to try and get better finish. About 150 odd mil resin mixed up, and just to try and make my exhaust a little bit bollingy. I don't know if the camera's going to pick this up. I've put a tiny little bit of this gold glitter stuff in that you can put in resin, because I just thought with a gold chassis in there, well, we'll see. Probably look awful, but can only try these things. Do the join bit first. Put a little bit of resin on. I don't know if it's the right way of doing this or no, but I find this sort of pre-wettings and stuff, it just makes putting another bit on top much easier, because it's got something to stick onto. I purposely made this a bit longer. The hope is then I can fold it in at the ends. Yeah, second thoughts, this carbon's a bit thick to go around that tight curve, so it warps up, which we certainly don't want. So what I need to do is just try and paint a little bit of this on all over. And then I'll put the acetone on again, acetate on again. get this stuff over. It should hold it all together and hopefully give me a better finish all over. Okay, grab your gloves off and leave that overnight. As you can see, it's all gone a bit pear-shaped with this. I've tried taking the acetone off, which came off really easy first time, and this time it's just stuck fast to sections. I can't get this stuff off. So it's now looking absolutely terrible. All I can think of is I'm going to have to kind of sand this stuff off. I can't even, I'm going to have to kind of sand it off, and I suppose, and put another layer of resin on without using acetate this time, and see what happens. But I've got a feeling the more things I try with this, the worse it's going to end up looking. Just wondering whether I'm now at the point where I should just order some more carbon and start again. Yeah, I'll have a look at this later. So, I don't know how well the camera picked this up, but this sleeve looks a complete mess. I don't know if it's recoverable or no. Yeah. Not too sure what I should do at the moment, whether to carry on and use this and just see if it works, because there is concern, as a friend of mine's pointed out, that with the exhaust getting so hot with the turbo, this could just burn out, or whether I start all over again or just don't bother and get on with some of the more important things I need to get done on the car. So I think for the time being, it's probably a temporary pause or possible end to the how to make an end can. Perhaps I need to rename them how not to make a carbon end can, because this is just horrible. So I'm not overly fussed with looks on the car, but even I can't bring myself to put that on as any kind of long-term thing. Hi, thanks for getting to the end of the video. If you're not already subscribed, please do so now. Just hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell button, and that way YouTube will tell you when there's any new videos. We've got some big plans ahead for the channel, including possibly a car build from scratch. So if you want to get involved with that, now's the time to subscribe. Cheers then, bye.